Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. To the channel, in today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus generation Mk3. This one will cover 2012 to 2017-18 model. And if you have a code that relates to the MAF sensor, mass airflow sensor, we'll show you guys which two fuses to check, because the MAF sensor has two fuses controlling it. And always check those before you buy a new MAF sensor, because that could be the cheapest fix sometimes. There is two fuses, one is under the hood, one is inside the car, so make sure you stay until the end. Also, in addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos and hopefully we'll save you some money in the long run. Now, we need to check two fuses. Okay, the first one is right here in this fuse box. So right here there is a thing that you press down and pull it out. And on the back side you can see the different numbers. Okay, you need to hold it like that so it corresponds to what you see here. And fuse number 28 in our case is the one for the MAF sensor. 28 is this fuse here, so this will correspond to the fuse on this side. Now we're going to use the fuse puller to remove the fuse, so pull to the side, okay, and remove it like that. Okay, this is okay, you need to press on the back side, open it like that, go on top of the fuse, then press on the front and pull it out. And this is, guys, your fuse. Okay, in most cases you're going to be able to tell if that fuse is burned by looking at the element inside. Okay, and if that element is blown, most likely you need a new fuse. However, sometimes it might be hard to tell depending on where it blew. And I'll be using here a voltmeter, okay, multimeter. We'll set it to continuity like that. And if you touch the two lights, you'll make communication, you go to 0. So if the fuse is good, we need to see that 0 number. Otherwise, it will say like that, there is no communication, something's blown. Okay, check it out now. All the tools and parts that we use, guys, will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. Fuses, voltmeters that we use, all that stuff. So we're going to install this one here now. And next we'll go inside the car. I'll get the fuse puller with me, and the other fuse is there behind the glove box, and you do not have to remove the glove box, but it's more convenient and more room if you need to work on something there. And we'll show you, okay, where exactly these fuses are now. So with the glove box removed, this is your BCM module, this is where the fuses are. Okay, and I'll come from the bottom side here, and you need to see fuse number 56, there again labeled, you can see with small letterings. The very top left one, this is the one for the MAF sensor again. So I'll go ahead and remove this one as well. Again, you do not have to remove the glove box. The video is on the channel, okay, if you want to see how we did it. Okay, this connection here on top makes it a little bit hard for us to actually get the tool in, so I might have to pull it by hand, or I need to get small pliers, okay, to remove it, because this connection there on top, that electrical connection, okay, let me show you this one where the fuse puller is hitting, and I cannot pull it out. Okay, so let me try again. Okay, I will probably need to get a little bit bigger pliers, because those cannot catch it enough to pull it out. Okay, it came out a little bit, but I don't want to damage the fuse. That's why we'll just get a little bit, okay, a little bit bigger pliers. Hopefully those will fit in there. Okay, perfect. And the fuse, guys, came right out. Okay, now let me test it quick. Okay, to see if that thing is good inside. So I cannot catch the angle. So let me just pull it out, look at the light this way. Okay, and you can see inside the element is fine. I'll still recommend to double test it with the voltmeter to make sure that it's okay, but this one I'm almost 100% sure that it's fine. So those are the two fuses for the MAF sensor, guys. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.